It's almost time for Samsung's big Galaxy Unpacked event, where we're all but guaranteed to see the Galaxy S25 lineup get revealed. One of the biggest changes we're expecting is for the S25 Ultra to take over as the flagship phone with the S Pen, continuing its role as the only phone in Samsung's lineup to include a stylus. But here's where things get interesting. A new rumor is suggesting that the S25 Ultra's S Pen might not be as techy as the one with the S24 Ultra. According to tipster Ishan Agarwal, the S Pen with the S25 Ultra might lose its Bluetooth connectivity, which would mean it wouldn't be able to support things like gestures or remote control of your phone. For those who haven't used it, with the S24 Ultra's Bluetooth S Pen, you can control your camera, navigate through maps, and even take photos and videos, all without touching the screen. Now, if this rumor turns out to be true, it would be a bit of a bummer. The S Pen with Bluetooth gives the device that extra wow factor and lets users do so much more. In fact, some people think the S Pen finally earned its spot as a flagship feature just a couple of years ago when the S23 Ultra came out. Sure, the S Pen takes up space in the phone, but that Bluetooth support makes it more than just a tool for doodling. It adds real value for a lot of users. This leak is pretty different from most of the usual S25 rumors, though. It's actually talking about a potential downgrade for the new flagship. Without Bluetooth, the S Pen would mostly just be useful for writing and drawing, which might still be fine for some, but it would lose the ability to perform those cool gestures. For power users who've been using the S Pen for a while, especially those who've had custom functions since the Galaxy Note 9, this might sting. On the flip side, newer users or those who never pull out the stylus might not miss it at all. Bottom line, if the S Pen's Bluetooth does get dropped, it'll be a bit of a disappointment, but it's still unclear whether that's actually going to happen. So, what do you think about this potential change? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.